Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel, Stuff Like Lyss. My name is Alyssa and I live on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And today we will be cash stuffing a portion of my second paycheck of September. Aloha everyone, thank you for joining me today. Today we will be cash stuffing a portion of my second paycheck of September, and today we will be cash stuffing a total of $485. So here's my little breakdown, and this time, as you can see, I don't have many categories. So I am thinking that I'm gonna just do one binder today, meaning one binder of between my short term and long term. So today will be the short term binder and then my on the go binder. So we won't be cash stuffing all of my binders today, just one. Alright, so $485, and then here's my little bank pouch, and here's my cash. So let's go ahead and count out the cash. So we have 100, 152, 253, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 2, 3, 4, and 5. $485. Alright, so how is everybody doing? I hope everyone is doing good and enjoying the last bit of September, and it is finally fall. So hopefully the weather starts cooling down a little bit wherever you are. I know here in Hawaii, soon I hope the weather will get a little cooler. But how is everybody doing? A little update for me is that I finally started my new job. Last week was my first full week, and I absolutely love it. I'm so happy with the decision that I made, and I couldn't be happier. Also, on a side note, last week we had a little family emergency. Nothing with my immediate family, but I mean my boyfriend. So he's not feeling well right now. It's not anything with COVID or having a cold. He's just not feeling well, and I hope he gets well soon. I just don't like seeing people sick, and yeah, that's basically what's been happening for the last 2 weeks. He's still not feeling well. I mean, definitely a lot better. He did go to the doctor and everything, but he's just resting, and hopefully in the next couple of days or a week he will feel a lot better. But anyways, we will go ahead and cash stuff my 2 binders. So we'll start off with my short-term binder, and we will be doing bills. So bills will be getting $200. So I'll put in 100 and 250s. So altogether, bills has 100, 200, 300, 350, and 400. And what I'm doing for bills is I'm trying to get to a month ahead. So I'm adding in a little bit more each time I add to this envelope, so that eventually I can get to a month ahead, and then so on. So altogether we have $400 in bills. Do you guys like my new nails? I just finished doing them. It's back to being short, and then I just decided to make it like a soft pink color, and then I added some rhinestones. Sometimes you just need those short nails. It feels a little bit more free, and then you know you can let your real nails like breathe a little bit. Okay, and then golf will be getting $20, so a $20 bill. So 20, 30. And then beauty will also be getting $20. So altogether, beauty has 50, 70, 90. Okay, and travel expenses. Travel expenses will be getting $30. So 20 and a 10. So altogether, we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 120. And then California will also be getting $30. So a 20 and a 10. Okay, so California has 50, 70, 80, and 90. $90. Alright, so that's it for my short-term binder, and I decided to do one binder this time because I feel like I can add a little bit more to each envelope if I do it this way, and then next paycheck I'll go ahead and fill my long-term binder. And then here's my on-the-go binder, and I will be giving myself $15. So I'll give myself the 5 and the 1s. So that's 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So $15 for myself. And then eating out, we'll be getting $40. Okay, so 2 20s. Groceries, we'll be getting as usual 50. And households will be getting 10, and then there's an existing $10 from last time. I didn't use it. So altogether $20. Alright. So that's it for the cash stuffing portion of the binders, and then I will add to my 100 envelope challenge. So I have 50 and a 20. So I will be cash stuffing 2 envelopes. So it will be 50 and 19. So I'll add in a $20 bill for 19. Okay. And let's see. All of these envelopes are not in order because one day I was going through this 100 envelope challenge, and then I dropped all the envelopes and it just scattered everywhere, and I didn't have time at that time to put it, you know, in order, so it's a mess in the back here. But let's see, 19, here we go, right behind 18. And then I will also stuff envelope 50 50 will be going, let's see, right here in the back behind 48. So finally I got to cash stuff 2 envelopes for the 100 envelope challenge. It's been a while, but we're slowly making progress. All right, anyways, that's it for my cash stuffing for today. I know it was a bit short and a quick one, but I did want to come out here and thank everybody for supporting my channel and also for supporting my Instagram. I recently hit 900 followers on my Instagram, so if you aren't following, go ahead and follow me. You'll get updates of when I post videos and just little tidbits of what I do throughout the week. And also we are close to 430 subscribers here on YouTube, and I thank you all so much. And yeah, that's it for this video. So thank you again, and stay well, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.